Hello everyone, is your car struggling to shift gears, getting stuck or slipping while driving? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0767, Shift Solenoid D Stuck On, this means your transmission isn't shifting properly because the shift solenoid is not disengaging. Ignoring this can lead to serious damage and expensive repairs. In this video, I'll explain what P0767 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the key sensors and components so you can fix it. Let's get started. What is P0767? The P0767 trouble code is triggered when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects that Shift Solenoid D is stuck in the on position. This means the solenoid is continuously engaged, causing transmission shifting issues. Ignoring this problem can lead to harsh or delayed gear shifting, transmission slipping, check engine light and transmission warning light on, limp mode, car stuck in one or two gears, overheating transmission, and increased fuel consumption. If your car has these symptoms, let's locate the key components that need attention. To properly diagnose P0767, check the following components. Shift Solenoid D. Location: inside the transmission valve body near the transmission fluid pan. Function: controls hydraulic pressure to shift gears properly. Transmission fluid pressure, TFP sensor. Location: mounted on the transmission case near the valve body. Function: measures fluid pressure and helps regulate shifting. Transmission input, speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location: found on the transmission housing, near the input shaft. Function: measures the speed of the input shaft and sends data to the PCM. Transmission control module, TCM. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location: usually near the engine bay, firewall, or under the dashboard. Function: sends electrical signals to control the shift solenoids. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the solenoids, sensors, and PCM-TCM. Function: transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause solenoid failure. Common causes of P0767: faulty shift solenoid. D. The solenoid may be stuck or burned out. Dirty or low transmission fluid. Contaminated fluid can clog the solenoid, causing it to stick. Wiring or connector issues, corrosion, damage, or loose connections can interrupt signals. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. Incorrect pressure readings affect gear shifting. PCM-TCM malfunction. A software update or reset may be required. Internal transmission damage. Worn clutch packs or valve body issues can trigger this code. How to fix P0767. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's at the correct level and free from contamination. Step 2. Inspect Shift Solenoid D. Test for electrical continuity using a multimeter. Step 3. Check the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Compare readings to manufacturer specs. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, loose connections, or damage. Step 5. Test the input speed sensor, ISS. Make sure it's providing correct data. Step 6. Examine the PCM-TCM connections. Ensure they're clean and securely attached. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check performance. Final words: a stuck shift solenoid D can cause serious transmission damage, so fixing P0767 early can save you thousands. Regular maintenance and proper diagnosis are key. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0400 exhaust gas recirculation EGR flow malfunction. P0401 EGR insufficient flow detected. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.